Host energetic, welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting yet perilous world of Bitcoin investments. But hold your horses, because there are 7 critical mistakes you must avoid if you want to navigate this volatile market safely. Stay tuned as we uncover these pitfalls and how to sidestep them effectively. Host, take the time to educate yourself thoroughly before putting a single penny into the market. Learn about blockchain technology, the history of Bitcoin, market trends, and potential risks. Remember, knowledge is your best weapon in the world of crypto investments. Host, avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions like FOMO, fear of missing out, or panic selling during market downturns. Instead, develop a solid trading strategy and stick to it religiously, regardless of the market's ups and downs. Host VO, mistake number 3, neglecting security measures. With the rising popularity of Bitcoin, hackers and scammers are constantly lurking in the shadows, waiting to prey on unsuspecting investors. Host, protect your investments by implementing robust security measures, such as using hardware wallets, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious of phishing scams and fraudulent websites. Remember, your digital assets are only as safe as the measures you put in place to protect them. Host VO, mistake number 4, over-leveraging your positions. While leverage can amplify your gains, it can also magnify your losses exponentially. Host, avoid the temptation to use excessive leverage and always trade with caution. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and always have a clear risk management strategy in place to protect your capital. Host VO, mistake number 5, turning a blind eye to regulatory risks. As governments around the world scramble to regulate the burgeoning cryptocurrency industry, investors need to stay informed about the ever-changing regulatory landscape. Host, keep abreast of regulatory developments in your country and how they may impact the legality and taxation of Bitcoin investments. Failure to do so could result in legal troubles or financial losses down the line. Host VO, mistake number 6, falling for scams and fraudulent schemes. With the anonymity and decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies, scammers have found numerous ways to swindle unsuspecting investors out of their hard-earned money. Host, always conduct thorough due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency project or platform. Be wary of promises of guaranteed returns or get-rich-quick schemes, as they are often red flags for potential scams. Host, define your investment goals and establish clear exit points based on your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Whether it's to take profits or cut losses, having a well-defined exit strategy will help you avoid making rash decisions in the heat of the moment.